All right, now we're done with the cryptocurrency parts. Now we can go over to NFT price floor, and we're just going to scroll through the 7 day change for a while because I think that's pretty much the update everyone wants to hear right now. Bored Ape Yacht Club coming in slightly below 80 ETH. I know that on OpenSea they are actually trading above 80 ETH, and that's personally my magical like barrier where I say, hey, above 80 ETH, I don't really have any belly aches anymore. We're up 1.3% overall in all marketplaces. Cryptopunks down, 1.5%. Pretty much flat, let's be honest. 2 or 3%, that's not that bad. Yeah, then we have Clone X up 6.5%. Moonbirds down 3.8%. Azuki up 13.6%. That's a highlight. But at the same time, I know that they've been massively going back and forth. We're definitely going to dig into a bit deeper into each one of these here. Doodles 13.7% up. That's good news. Bored Ape Kennel Club down 5.5%. So going through them one by one, Bored Ape Yacht Club, you can see all the links to the various marketplaces down here. 79.88 ETH, I think that's pretty much fair price. We've had these blow off tops up to like 140 ETH or whatnot, but let's be honest, that was FOMO, that was hype. If you were able to sell it at these price points, I think that's more than fair. Switching over to dollar terms, you can see that we're kind of at this floor price that we were setting back in September 2021. Round about $100,000, which in my opinion, I'm not going to blame my NFTs for ETH not performing well. So I'm just going to switch it back again into ETH mode. And I think this is a bit more of a fair representation where, yeah, we're at lows that we saw the first time back in January 2021. So essentially almost, yeah, 3/4 of a year kind of flat now, with some medium spikes in between, and the low point being 64.99 ETH. Yeah, as I said, anything above 70 and 80 ETH, I'm pretty much fine with. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Bored Ape Yacht Club and the CryptoPunks, in my head at least, represent kind of the blue chip NFTs. So that's why we're definitely going to be focusing on them too. Honestly, CryptoPunks are kind of flat. Like, they are a developed product. There's not that much news every single week. Trending flat 60 ETH since back in September. So yeah, I mean, depending on which marketplace you go, there might be a couple stolen ones. There might be a couple ones that are like always undercutting the floor. But we've at least left the 44 ETH range behind us back from May 2022. That was kind of the very depressed CryptoPunk sales. And also this week, we actually saw one of the highest CryptoPunk Ape hoodie sales for 3,300 ETH. So there is definitely buyers out there. There's definitely some liquidity. It's probably going to take some reassurances in the market to actually reclaim higher price points though. Mutant Apes kind of flat over the last couple of weeks too. Again, like all-time highs of 40 ETH long past. We'll see how this develops. I think all of those three collections are kind of correlated simply because they're by the same yeah, Yuga Labs team. Otherdeeds are also kind of flat. I mean, they will first have to develop some kind of product to actually see, use, and develop. And I think once people actually build on them, people will also realize the utility that's behind this. Clonex up slightly this week, so congrats to anyone who bought it at around 5 ETH. It's good ETH profit. Azuki also massive volatility. Remember with their founders learning a lot over the years. They had a quick strong dip and recovery, and been holding strong at above 7 ETH since then. Doodles, similar story, but with a bit of different background story. Not going to go too deep into that. 8 ETH, stable. Congrats to the holders. The Bored Ape Kennel Club actually has a lot of rumors behind it right now about what they might be used for in the MD versus MMI game. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye on that. I think the biggest winners right now are everyone who bought Renga at like below 1 ETH floor. Congrats to everyone there. Up to 2.25 ETH. I think that's a massive gain. They're all the rage right now on crypto Twitter. So congrats to everyone. Also the Renga Black Box, which is an integral part in their ecosystem. It's obvious that people are kind of FOMOing right now, so I do urge everyone to take a certain level of caution when buying right now, but it definitely sounds like a cool product. And the Yuga Labs founding team actually also mentioned that they really like their art. So they definitely have some magic behind them. Obviously, we do not advise what to buy or what to sell. We just urge you to have caution in this macro climate right now. Yeah, and obviously that's been the week in crypto right now. I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna get on now with our space. So see you next week, and as always, yeah, take care and take care of your crypto. Bye bye, lads and ladies.